How to hide profile display on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can hide profile display on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. You will land on your profile page. Below your profile name, there is Edit Profile button. Tap on it. Once you land on Edit Profile page, scroll down a bit and there is an option as Profile Display. Tap on it. Now to hide your profile display, you have to turn off this toggle, that is Display Category Label. After that, you have turned off the profile display on your Instagram account. Once done, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. After that, you can head back to your profile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.